Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here on Instagram, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and from here you have to click on you have to search for Ali and John YTT for my account. And then from my page, you have to go to Super Viral at Highlights or to New 2022 March at Highlights. And once you're here, you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose some photos with you at 19 years old, 2022 and 21, or you can take this as year 2019, 2020, 2021, and so on. So I'll go ahead and post a photo with me from 2019. So I will go with this one. Now you have to make it smaller by using your two fingers and then place it where you want. After that, to add the second photo from 1920, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then you have to scroll and click on the plus icon. And now you can go down and choose the second photo. Then to add the third photo, you have to do the same thing. Go to stickers, then click the plus icon and add the third photo, and then the same for the fourth photo. And once you are happy with your story, you have to click on the sticker to place it where you want, and then share this story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to Super Viral at Highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on the Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that, guys. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.